Hello friends, in today's lecture we will be understanding some MCQs on direct or simple analogy, which is part 2. The first MCQ says that drama is related to scene in the same way as book is related to. So let us see the relation between drama and scene. I can say that scene is nothing but a unit of a drama. So in the same way, let us see the relation for a book. If I look at the options, option A is story, option B is page, option C is chapter, whereas option D is the author. If we look closely at options B and option C, we can understand that option C, which is chapter, is nothing but the unit of a book. I can also say that option B, which is nothing but a page, is also a unit. But page is nothing but a smaller unit of the book, whereas a chapter is little bigger than the page. Hence, we can say that option C, which is nothing but chapter, is the right answer. Next MCQ says, cyclone is related to anticyclone. In the same way, flood is related to what? So if we compare the first two words in the first pair, we can understand that the opposite of cyclone is anticyclone. So we are comparing the opposites. So what is the opposite of flood? We know that the opposite of flood is nothing but drought, which is option D. So I can say that option D, which is drought, is the right answer, or drought is the opposite of floods. Next question says, town is related to village in the same way as urban is related to what? The first pair says town is related to village. तो अगर मैं town and village की बात करूं, ये दोनों opposite words है. So in the same way, what is the opposite of urban? The opposite of urban is rural. So I can say that the answer to this question is rural. Next question says, income is related to profit in the same way as expenditure is related to what? If I say income and profit, these are nothing but the same words. When I get income, I generate my profit. So when I'm going for expenditure, when I'm using something, when I'm consuming something, I am going in loss. So I can say that the answer to this question is loss. Next question says, kilogram is related to quintal in the same way as paisa is related to what? If I look closely, I can say that kg and quintal are nothing but units. Units of what? Units of weight. So in the same way, paisa is related to what? Is it a rupee, coin, wealth, or money? I know that paisa is related to rupee because they are nothing but the currencies. So option A is the right answer. College is related to student in the same way as hospital is related to what? So where does the student go? The student goes to a college. So how can I relate hospital to? Is it A, doctor? Is it B, nurse? Is it C, treatment? Or is it D, patient? I know that a person who is not well is called as a patient. तो patients जाते कहाँ है? जाहिर सी बात है, patients हमेशा hospitals में जाते हैं. तो answer to this question is D, patient. So Charminar is a monument in India. So Sphinx is related to what? I know that Sphinx is related to Egypt. Charminar is located in India, hence Sphinx is related to Egypt. Next question says, Mathematics is related to numbers in the same way as history is related to what? We know that in mathematics we study numbers. So what do we study in history? We study the events in history. So I can say that option B is events is the right answer. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Informatica and do subscribe our channel.